What's going on, guys? Welcome to part 5. Remember, this is a mini series of about 8 parts or so that we're actually getting into how you can create affiliate marketing campaigns with no autoresponder, effortlessly and easily create affiliate marketing campaigns and have no way to send emails. But the thing is, the reason why we're doing this is because a lot of people are not checking their emails. So you want to give people different options to opt in to your programs and to receive messages from you. You want to have multiple options. Everybody does check their email every day, but everybody may not check your email every day. They may not open your email every day. If people are not opening your emails, then obviously they can't purchase your products. And in this series, I'm actually showing you a way to do that. So in the other parts, guys, I've recommended the #1 landing page builder. There's plenty of landing page builders out there, but I know that the first one that pretty much was created and actually created the term and coined the term funnels was actually ClickFunnels. So you guys, I'm going over in part 5 how to optimize your ClickFunnels funnel and your landing page. And I'm giving you some exact specific examples in that you can use to optimize your landing page and to get more people to opt in. And remember, guys, what we discussed in the other parts and the other sessions is how to pick a product, what landing page builder to use, which obviously is ClickFunnels. And I'm showing you guys how to build out a bot, a free bot. All this software is free, guys, to get started. So why don't you check it out and sit back, relax, and remember, in part 5, I'm showing you guys how to optimize your ClickFunnels landing page. Roll the intro.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So right now, guys, we already have a landing page built. So you can actually go with this page. So this will be your landing page. This would be your opt-in page. Then you can lead them to this page. So what you can actually do, guys, is go ahead and put in your link for this page. So you remember, guys, I showed you how to get your affiliate link earlier in ClickBank. Obviously, this is not my affiliate link. This is the actual company's link, but I'm just for the sake of time, I'm actually going to hit copy and I am going to put that down here, and we're actually going to redirect them to that page. Copy. And that is it. So it's Daily Goals software. Then hit save. So it's probably not going to let me do this because actually, hold on, guys. Let me see. So this says your first name is not required. So guys, another thing that you can realize is, or another thing that you guys should realize is you can actually make these required or not required. So if you don't necessarily want them to put in, I know a lot of people actually do another box down here. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this. Let me actually copy this real quick. So a lot of people actually do this and they put their name here, email address, and then they put phone number here, but they mostly say phone number not required. So most of the time they put phone number not required. And then if you go here, you put phone number there and it says not required. But guys, obviously I have all these not required. So if you look here, actually email address, they actually make you require that because I guess ClickFunnels wants to receive something. So you can't change the email address, but everything else, I'm pretty sure you can go in and you can change. So if we hit save here, we're actually going to go to the next page, which is going to be phone number. So it says phone number not required. But the thing is, guys, I'm actually going to have to put in an email address here to show you guys that you can, that it will be redirected to the next page. See, it's not going to let me see. It's obviously, guys, these green buttons mean it's not required, but let me just put in an email address real quick. And as you can see, guys, we just typed in the email address and it forwarded us, it redirected us to the landing page that we wanted to go to. So now, guys, obviously there's two steps. So you can go from your ClickFunnels page to the actual site itself. And if you look, guys, this my email address is actually stored in ClickFunnels. So let me exit out here just to show you guys that there is going to be a person who has opted in. So if we look here, if you go to the funnel in which your landing page is in or your opt-in page is in, you can click on contacts right here. And this is the email address which says it's 2 minutes ago that I just opted in. So it stores all of your emails in here in ClickFunnels. So that's the reason, guys, why you don't need an autoresponder. But ClickFunnels itself has an autoresponder that you guys can actually send follow-up funnels to. You can send emails to. So you do not need an autoresponder. But the autoresponder in ClickFunnels is you have to get the highest level plan, which that is around $297 per month. But now they actually have an annual plan, which you can save. I think it's around maybe $300, $400 a month if you pay yearly. Every year, if you pay upfront, you get on the annual plan, you can actually save about $300 or $400 a month. But the thing, guys, is you still do not need this. Obviously, you're collecting emails. So one thing that you can do with these emails is you can actually download these emails, which you can click this button here and you can transfer them to Facebook. And what that means is you can actually build a Facebook campaign when you guys start running ads in Facebook, or even I think you can do this in Google as well. I haven't tried it with Google, but I know Facebook allows you to import emails. And what you can do with these emails is you can target these specific people appropriately, and you can send them information about different links and everything that you have, different promotions that you have when you're running ads for any type of product on Facebook. You can directly promote to these people, but you can also build lookalike audiences off of these people in Facebook. So the people, all these email addresses, you can actually build an audience of people who interact and respond and like the same things they do, which obviously, guys, that can increase your sales. So let's get into the mini chat portion